Welcome back to Snap-on Tools from the ground up. Work continues on the Factory 535 Ford truck. Capable technicians, next level tools, and eventually this vehicle will end up in the NASCAR Champion capable hands of Joey Logano. We fired up the engine. I just want to make sure everything's running up to snuff. Good opportunity to showcase the digital multimeter advanced. I'm holding the device. You have the actual multimeter. You can basically be in two places at one time.
Right, it's perfect for something like this where I have to flip a switch away from what it is I'm checking. I can flip the switch, take that with me and see if it's working or not without having to carry this or stretch.
115% larger color screen, also the wraparound cords, the kickstand. I mean, this has all the bells and whistles. You can actually send different results. If you're a technician, you can send it to a customer, or you can send it to Joey if he wants to know what's going on with his vehicle. It's pretty sweet. All right, let's showcase this thing actually. So if you could plug it in. Boom.
Yep,
you're getting the reading.
So 12 volts, just what I wanted to see.
So again, I'm seeing it over here, you're seeing it over there.
Same time, being able to look at this without having to be back there, makes it a one-person job, what would have been a two-person job.
Yeah. We need to make some modifications. Why is that?
The actual seat itself, the pan, we got to modify it around the brake lever. So if you look on the inside, he's got his drift brake. So this is actually cutting around the drift brake lever to get the passenger as far back and the front of the seat as far forward as we can.
Utilizing the die grinder here?
Yes, we are. We got all kinds. We got straights, we got bigger ones here. I actually use this one here just because I can get in there and I can hold it.
That can do some damage. And protection as always, and safety first. So let's get on with it.
All right.
Nice, getting there, moving some material. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's what's up. Boom.
Whew.
What else?
Body.
Body?
It'll bolt to the firewall, bolt to the side, bolt to the back. I mean, we can have the cab on pretty quick.
And normally this kit has fenders.
Yep, this has no fenders, so it's cab, bed. Should be good.
Nice.
It'll look pretty cool once the cab's on.
All right, guys, bring her in. I'll just direct. You're good, you're good.
So we're gonna slide this way.
Then back her up.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. She's about to look like a truck.
You have to go up.
Okay. Yeah, you're good, you're clear. Tony, you're clear. Slow down. It should be right, butted up to the firewall right now. Boom.
How we doing there, buddy? Nice.
Look at it.
Nice. It's night and day right there.
She's a beaut.
How we looking?
Ooh, baby.
That looks sweet.
Oh, man.
That looks super nice, huh? Watch the front of the body and just get it so that
What's going on here?
Yeah, man.
Putting a little bedside on this thing?
Yeah, getting this body put on.
It looks good with that on it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It looks like a truck.
It looks like a truck there.
It's like a truck.
Can Joey jump in?
Of course you can. It's his truck.
There you go, kiddo.
Let me get in this thing. Oh, yeah.
There you go, you're good. Dude, you got plenty of headroom.
Oh, I got headroom for days. Yeah, I got a little lower. I got a little bit more support. Where I need an intro on this thing. It's one forward, right?
No.
No, it's one back
boom,
and then
boom, 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 boom. All the way backs up, all the way forwards down. And then once you get first, you can't go into neutral.
So you just
as you go up,
yeah,
you can just hold the throttle down and bang up. So
that's crazy.
As soon as you start pulling a little pressure on it, it'll just cut the ignition out. Going down, it won't rev match, so you just got a rev match going down.
That's what the clutch feels like.
Yeah, it's hydraulic.
That's so crazy.
It's crazy.
That feels like...
Isn't that crazy? Feel like nothing.
It feels like there's no clutch.
Yep.
All right, I see Jim cut out a little piece of bracketry for gauge. What are you doing?
Wet sanding it and make it look pretty.
So you can either go rotary, which is basically round, or dual action where it's kind of oscillating.
Kind of all purpose.
Yeah.
You know, it does a little of everything.
Multiple speeds.
Works real nice.
I know you can attach a dust collector to it. So, you know, when you're sanding
Oh, yeah.
fiberglass or, you know, any different materials, if it's wood or whatever, yeah, stuff goes flying.
Right.
One tool for many jobs.
One tool for many jobs.
Right on. There you go, Larry.
Thanks, sir.
Let's be honest, Joey likes to do burnouts. He goes through a lot of tires. So this is a nice machine to have in the house, right?
Yes, it is. He likes turning these into smoke, so we go through quite a few tires. This thing makes it a breeze when we go to balance it. It's pretty simple to use. Get the right spindle on there.
And these are the actual rims and tires on this hot rod over
That'll
here.
go onto this build, yeah. This hub, quick release, so it just slides right on, then you just lock it right down. Makes it really nice and quick and easy. You got a sonar right there that automatically measures your rim. One less thing you gotta do.
We're utilizing some cup tires here, some NASCAR tires.
Sure.
Are they normally out of balance compared to passenger car tires?
They're pretty much all the same, but still with this machine, it'll do NASCAR tires, it'll do small passenger car all the way up to the tires on Joey's bus. Now the nice thing about it is it gives you a laser indication right here where you're going to stick the weight. So we know we need 2 ounces right here.
Touchscreen display.
So if you're running custom wheels and you're running different spokes and you want to hide your weights for aesthetics, you can just pick how many spokes you've got on the wheel and it'll automatically split up the weights for you,
Wow.
give you the location where to put each set of weights. Super intuitive, super easy to use.
Awesome, man. All right, well, got 3 more here.
Let's get them done.
All right. Joey Logano, he likes to shred on cars, want to make sure the car is up to snuff. So utilizing the 500 PSI wireless pressure tester. Talk about how many different things you can actually test pressure of with this wireless pressure tester.
We're using it right now for oil pressure, but we can do fuel pressure, transmission pressure. We can even do cylinder pressure, and it'll actually data log, so you could go through, do all your cylinders and not have to write it down. You can go back and compare them all, know what kind of condition it's in.
Yeah, all the way up to 12 cylinders because there's 12-cylinder
Some
engines.
of them are 12s.
Also, what's cool is you can record something, so it's a good opportunity. Why not just go and test the pressure there?
Okay, Chris, go ahead and hit the button. Looks good.
And I'm reading that there, which is cool.
you go.
You could graph it as well, write in a technician, work order, customer license plate, make, model car, and any particular notes, and then you can send it off. Again, this has many different adapters because this is a kit. This is all inclusive.
Right, yeah, all those come with it. So, you know, your fuel pressure hookups, oil pressure hookups, cylinder hookups, those are all in the kit. Whatever you want to do, it's all ready for it.
Last time you were here, it didn't look like a truck.
It's all looking good. Got wheels on it. I mean, looks like you're ready to put it on the ground and see what she's got.
Without further ado, let's get this thing on the ground. It's ready to run.
That looks sick, huh?
Looks so mean.
All right, fire it up. Let's go.
This is your-
Let's go. Let's go. pretty
How's
awesome.
it feel, all right?
Yeah, it's good.
Well, we have some minor details to button up overall.
Hey, now you just want to try all the stuff, right?
I mean, now,
Nice.
I know you
You
got
have to
places.
fine tune it, man.
You're literally down to the minute. You got to be someplace. These guys, the Factory 5 guys, utilizing Snap-on tools, they'll button it up, get it all primed, ready to go, and next time you see this thing, it'll be completed.
She's gonna be ready to rock.
Yeah. Would you like to win a signed piece of sheet metal from Joey Logano's vehicle? Go ahead and like our page, then comment below on which one of the racetracks is your favorite. Then you have an opportunity to walk away with a piece of racing memorabilia.